Depending on where you are in the province, this may come as a bit of a surprise to you, but it is in fact winter out there, and time for yet another season of snowmobiling in Saskatchewan. Now, a couple low snow winters the last few seasons have left riders really desperate to get out on the trail but unsure of where exactly to find snow. Luckily, Sask Snow has introduced a new interactive trail map on their website. With this new map, you can see exactly which trails are open, get live grooming updates, find shelters, gas stations, and accommodations in your area, and a whole lot more. I've left a link in the description to a more detailed breakdown of how exactly this map works. This map came in extremely handy for me when planning our upcoming video series. So what exactly is our upcoming video series? Well, I'm glad I asked. This season we're going to be riding the Trans Canadian Snowmobile Trail. As you might imagine, this is a snowmobile trail that runs right across our province, connecting us to both Alberta and Manitoba. This trail passes through some really interesting areas and offers a lot of unique things to see and do. Things that this year we're going to show to you. Now, a lot has changed from last year. We've got the new interactive trail map, we've got new camera equipment, and most importantly, I'm sitting on a new sled. Fun Motorsports Saskatoon has been serving the community for over 30 years, with one of Saskatchewan's largest selections of power sports products. So I figured I was probably overdue for a visit. ATVs, UTVs, clothing and accessories. It came to no one's surprise that they had just the sled for me. A 2017 Renegade Backcountry 600. Complete with a sled wrap that only someone with my style could pull off. What hasn't changed from last year, besides my mild narcissism, is the brand of gear I'm wearing. Last year I was so impressed with Choco Design and its ability to keep me warm and comfortable that I don't think anyone's going to be able to get me out of it. At least, not without buying me dinner first. So now we're geared up, we're trailered up, and we're ready to hit the snow. So stay tuned over the next couple of weeks as we head off to Duck Mountain, Yorkton, and Hudson Bay to meet with a few familiar faces and begin the first leg of our journey across the Trans Canadian Snowmobile Trail.